Nakamtaki video hakeleng ka pertai. Subscribe yu upalait napang. But like share ya ki video jong kaneka channel. Hakakot motion hapo assembly. Wanra uba adalbat ya ka isu jingja subasya penyab jong ikong darisha lingdok kensi. But ikun jong ka. Kebelaja hakasnong langtor. Eastern West Khasi Hills District. Halor kaneka benta. Pensyai uba prestun ya kaneka jingja baro. Kat kum ka report. Hakaba uba prestun ulayat hu sendon ya ka kerteng jong ubreu. Ubala syara bantuk kit haying bisar. Ya ubala tip kerteng de urijising warjri. Urijising warjri. Udairu ubreu uba kakong dari sya kalapen kam kepa na kabenta ikun jongka. Haka sautrik umat ar hajar ar posan. Urijising warjri ula syakiam hagi pulit. Ya urijising warjri la pharu cha civil hospital Mairang. Nakam taban eksamen. Haka jing eksamen ki doktor. Lalap yu urijising warjri ba ulayo ya ka hypertension. Lane ka jing QBP ka bajur. Hakan reu tarik umat ar hajar ar posan. Ulayo mi na hospital. Bat layalam no ya urijising warjri sa jing bisar. Nakam ta ka jing bisar bat toke. Ya ka report. Layathu da uba prestun. Uba dairu u deputy chief minister. Bat minister uba depet ya ka tenat pulit.
Sir, the issue raised by Adelbart Nongrim relating to the incident, that unfortunate incident that has happened, I would like to read here. Sir, the report that we receive on the incident Kajing bom kam uba pensyai kador barsnong langtor ka la clarify kala pensyai. Sir, that on the 2nd March 2025, a written FIR was received from Srimati Kelba Mary Lengdo Kenshi, 37 years, daughter of Shri S. Jana, resident of Langtor, Eastern West Khasils, and Srimati Clarity Lengdo Kenshi, 47, daughter of late W. Marbanyang, resident of Langtor, Eastern West Khasils, to the effect that Srimati Darisha Lengdo Kenshi, daughter of late Litmon Lengdo Kenshi and Shrek Jana, resident of Langto, Eastern West Khasils, went missing from her house on 1st March 2025 at around 5:30 p.m. And the family members along with the villagers had conducted search to find her whereabouts. But to no avail. On the morning of the 2nd March 25 at around 9 a.m., her dead body along with her baby was found from one water dam and one riang, which was used as a water source for Kenshi village. Further, on the 12th February 2025, an FIR was lodged at Mairang police station against Sri Jesing Warjri on the ground that he had threatened Darisha Lengdo Kenshi because she claimed that he is the father of the baby that she had given birth. After the FIR was lodged, information received by the family members of Darisha Lengdo Kenshi indicating that Singh Warjri tried to be close to her when she was alone, and this action amazed the family members as to why he is maintaining closeness with her, even though he is not accepting that he is the father of her baby. Therefore, in connection with the above incident, the family members strongly suspected that Singh Warjri is involved in the murder of Darisha Lengdo Kenshi and her 2-month-old baby. Hence, the case by Mairang PS case number 21 in bracket 3 2025 US 103 sub 1/238A BNS was registered and treated as SR case by SR number 08/2025. The investigation of the case is ensuing with supervision by the undersigned and other supervisory officers in the district. That the mobile forensic crime scene unit was requisitioned immediately and they assisted the investigation officer in the collection of evidences from the place of occurrence at Wanriang, Langto village, Eastern West Khasi Hills. That the dead bodies of both the deceased were sent to Nekrim, Shillong for postmortem. Examination and report is still awaited. That the specimens collected from both the deceased has been seized and the same were sent to FSL for examination and report is awaited. That the dead bodies of both the deceased were handed over to the relatives for performing their last rite and rituals. That the suspected accused person, namely Rijay Singh Wajri, was apprehended on 4/3/2025. He was thoroughly interrogated and arrested in connection with the case. That Rijay Singh Wajri was sent to TSM Civil Hospital Mairang for medical examination, and upon examination, the medical report, it is found that he is suffering from hypertension at the time of examination, and therefore he was advised to be admitted at the hospital. On the 6th March 2025, he was discharged from the hospital and forwarded to the Honorable Court, and 4 days police custody granted. That during custodial interrogation, it has come to light that the suspected accused person, Rijay Singh Wajri, was previously named by the deceased as the father of her baby boy. The matter of the child's paternity had been in dispute with both parties having filed previous FIRs regarding the issue as under. On the 12th February 2025, received FIR from Kelvamari Lengdok Kenshi, and Shri Grasland Lengdok Kenshi had defamed Srimati Darisha Lengdok Kenshi, who is a person with mental illness, and also threatened her, which affected her and her family. He threatened her to remove his name from the baby report which she gave birth in the month of January, and if she does not remove his name, he will file an FIR against her, which cost her and her family a lot of money. Further, the pleader notice from the side of Rijay Singh Wajri by sending a copy to the village secretary had humiliated Srimati Darisha Lengdok Kenshi more and more. Hence, case is registered against Rijay Singh Wajri via Mairang Police Station case number 17 in bracket 02/2025 U/S79/351 in bracket 2/356 BNS 2023, and investigation is ensuing. On the 17th February 2025, received a counter FIR from Shri Rijay Singh Wajri against Srimati Darisha Lengdok, as the immediate family of Srimati Darisha Lengdok blatantly accused him of being the father of the newborn baby boy given birth by Srimati Darisha Lengdok Kenshi on the 3rd January 2025 at Civil Hospital Mairang. This wrongful accusation with a malignant intention to malign his name had greatly impacted his very existence as a young man having a reputed prestige in the society and especially in the church as Christian youth volunteer. They have promised to remove his name from the hospital, but they did not comply to their promise. Hence, on the 28th January 2025, he has sent through his legal team a legal representation notice to settle the matter amicably by agreeing to just undergo a DNA paternity test as per the Supreme Court ruling. After receiving the LR, both parties have agreed to undergo the DNA test at Civil Hospital, Shillong, and all expenditures will be borne by him as he had initiated the same, but now have become infructuous on her filing the FIR dated 12/2/2025. That he vehemently denied all the allegations of insulting her modesty or threatening to cause harm or intimidation her in any way whatsoever, nor have any intention of defaming her. This these frivolous allegations are an attempt on her part to whitewash her unscrupulous intentions to further intimidate him and his family with her habitual lies and prejudices to misuse the legal system. Hence, the case was registered Vait Mairang PS case number 19 in bracket 02-2025 U/S 356 in bracket 2 BNS 2023, and investigation is ensuing. That the accused person was interrogated in connection with the case, but he kept changing his statement. He contradicted his previous statement recorded prior to his arrest that he did not leave his house on the 1st 3rd 2025, whereas during the course of custodial interrogation, he came out with a new theory that he had visited his girlfriend, namely Purustisiti Kurba, house on the 1st March 2025 around 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and stayed there for long hours along with her family members. Consequently, his girlfriend's statement was recorded, and she narrated that he came to her house at around 8:15 p.m. or 8:20 and sat for around 10 minutes and left. That P. Kurba also informed that on 1st 3/2025 he came to her house to take her Lava mobile phone and left almost immediately. This information was never revealed by Rijas Singh Wajri, and when he was questioned regarding this, he hesitantly narrated that he had kept the Lava mobile phone at home without SIM card. Subsequently, this information was verified by locating the said mobile, and one SIM card bearing mobile number 6900015701 was found to be active in the mobile phone. On being questioned, Rijas Singh Wajri claimed that mobile number 6900015701 was used by him in an old Nokia mobile phone that he kept at home before he was apprehended. On being led by him, a house search was conducted to locate the Nokia mobile phone, but the same was not found at the place where he claimed to have kept the mobile phone. Later, one of his family members produced burnt component of suspected mobile phone recovered from the premises of his house, but he denied that the burnt component belongs to his Nokia mobile phone. These irregularities and contradictory statement given by Rijas Singh Wajri is evident that he is trying to conceal evidences. That it is pertinent to mention here that he had also deleted all data from his Oppo A3X mobile phone, mobile number 8837046207, which is a suspicious conduct, to erase crucial digital footprints or digital evidences. These mobile phones of the accused person are being sent to the FSL for examination and expert opinion so as to unearth the criminal conspiracy pertaining to the case. That the crucial witnesses like the villagers, family members and friends of the suspect and victim are being examined to verify the facts and circumstances pertaining to the case, as there was a series of events that transpired prior to this instant case. These witnesses are crucial to substantiate the steps taken in the investigation of the instant case, and more so as the suspected accused person is not cooperating with the investigation. In view of the seriousness of the offense, the IO and the supervisory officers have been delegated with the task to expedite the investigation of the case so as to unearth the entire criminal conspiracy in connection with the case and for securing justice. So, sir, these are the situation and the status of this particular case as raised by the honourable member, Ba Adelbat Nongrum.